In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from all devices on Skype. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the one reliable way to sign out everywhere at once and make sure only you have access to your account. First, open Skype on your device. If it isn't on your desktop or home screen, use your system's search bar and type Skype to launch it. Once the app opens, sign in with your Microsoft account. After you're logged in, you'll land on the Skype homepage where you can see your chats and recent activity. Here's an important bit of context before we proceed. Skype doesn't offer a direct log out from all devices button. If you've seen that option in other apps, it doesn't exist in Skype. The effective way to force every device to sign out is to change your account password. When the password changes, all active sessions are invalidated, which securely signs you out everywhere. Now, let's get to the settings. At the top of the Skype window, click your profile icon. This opens a panel with your account details. Scroll down and select Settings to access all the options you need. From there, choose your account. Skype will open a new page in your default web browser that shows your Microsoft account details. On that account page, scroll until you find the option labeled Change Password. Click it. For security, you'll be asked to enter your current password. Then, create a new password and confirm it. Aim for something strong and unique. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. When you're ready, save the changes. If your account has additional verification enabled, you might be prompted to confirm your identity before the change goes through. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once your password is updated, all devices that were signed into your Skype account will be logged out automatically. That includes desktops, laptops, tablets, and phones. The next time you open Skype on any device, you'll be asked to sign in again. Use your new password and you'll be good to go. If your browser or password manager had the old password saved, remember to update it so you don't run into sign-in errors later. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Skype on all devices by changing your password. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Skype tips and tutorials.